Has this ever happened to you? You're craving a meal from back home, but alas, you're living in Canada or the US. So what do? Go towards the alternative. What up everyone, Kara's Maggie here and welcome back to my channel. So growing up, my favorite breakfast was pretty much ackee and saltfish with anything, so dumpling, green banana, any kind of ground provision. So I have run out of my fresh ackee and there's no way of me getting anytime soon. So I decided to give the canned ackee a try. So this will be my first time making canned ackee and you're going to get my honest opinion on what I thought about it. So the brand that I'm going to be using is the Montego ackee in brine, and I'm a bit skeptical because I know, canned ackee just always sound weird to me, but we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna be open-minded this morning, making my breakfast and just trying it out, and I decided let me record it to show you my first time making it and my honest opinion about it. So it was about $9 for this one. They range from about $8 to $10 depending on the brand. Not really sure what's the difference in the price point or the reason for the price point, but this is the one that I got and I'm gonna try it out. So yeah, wish me luck. I hope I don't mess it up, and yeah, we're going to be having it with some boiled dumpling. So yeah, let's go. If you're tired of having to replace your can openers every time, check out the link in my bio for an electronic can opener like this one. Next, we're gonna drain the ackee. And then we're going to run it under some running water. Now for this step, it's a bit of an extra step, but I decided to dip the ackee in some hot boiling water. This step isn't mandatory, but I personally did it because, well, you'll see in a minute why I did this step. Keep looking. Please discard of the water. Put the ackee to the side. And we're going to get started on cooking our saltfish. It won't take that long, basically to get rid of the excess salt that's on the saltfish. In the meantime, ensure that you boil your dumplings before you deal with the ackee. And now for the ingredients, we're going to use some thyme, onion, pepper, sweet pepper, and blended seasoning. Now this has like everything. You have green onion, which is scallion, onion, garlic, all that stuff. You're going to chop up your onions. Yes, my knife was fighting me this day, but I prevailed. Dice your onions. And do the same with your sweet peppers. Now we're gonna cut our peppers. As you can see, the seeds, so this is hot pepper. I am personally not really a fan of heat, but for this time around, I attempted to take some heat. So, yeah, cut up your peppers. If you don't want it spicy, just avoid getting the seeds into it. That's pretty much it. That's where the heat is at, in the seed. Add some thyme. This is essential. Dry thyme is the best. And of course, don't forget your garlic. Now that your saltfish is finished, break it up into smaller pieces. You want to get it as fine as possible because you want to distribute the saltfish into the entire dish. You want to be generous, you know? Be generous with the saltfish. Now to cook the ackee, first we're gonna add some oil. I chose olive oil. You can choose whatever oil you want. And then I'm gonna add the seasoned mixture. Stir it up a little bit, stir it well. Make sure the onion gets a bit translucent. And then we're gonna add our saltfish and stir it in. Now we're gonna add the ackee. You'll notice that I just kind of laid it on top. I'm gonna add some more seasoning as well, so more onions and peppers on top. Thyme if you want to. And I'm gonna add some of the blended seasoning and some black pepper. Now for this step, make sure you mix it in gently. You don't want to mix it in too much. I actually got this tip from another video I saw where they kind of just did like one full turn of just blending the ackee in with everything. Don't play around with it too much. I think I was playing around with it too much, but you get the gist. It's not like your normal ackee. It's a bit soft, so you don't want it to get too mushy. So less manipulation as possible. And you just leave it for a while. And there we go. It's all done. And voila. Comment in the comment section below if you're the best person at kneading dumpling. Okay, so this is the final results. My dumpling them never go prep school, but we're going to try the ackee and see how it goes. I mean, cooking it looked like the normal ackee. I mean, it is technically, it's just that they picked it, put it in like, preservatives so that it can last longer. That's pretty much what any canned item is. So yeah, let's see what it is like. I mean, in a tree body, can go on. Alright, I have to leave some to eat with my actual breakfast, so let me put this down. Yep, it can go on, but not lie. Yeah, the little homesickness I did have, it can go on. So I want to hear from you now. Have you ever tried canned ackee before? And if you have, do you think that it tastes better, the same, or not better than the fresh ackee? Let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't tried it yet and you're overseas, you're like me, you can't get access to canned ackee and you want to give it a shot, this is a testament that it can go on. Just spice it up how you want it to go. I will advise try not to move it around too much because the ackee is already cooked when it's in the can. So if you don't want your ackee to be very mushy or anything like that, try to maneuver it as less as possible, as you saw that I did throughout the video, I think. Alright, so if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, like. For more content like this, check me out every single week on Kara's Maggie TV. Again, like, share, subscribe, and I want to know from you what you think about canned ackee. Is it yay or nay? All right, don't forget to do road and do things, and until next time, Maggie is out.